Good evening, everyone. My name is King David. Thanks for sticking to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching my videos. I hope you're learning. The main purpose of this channel is just to teach as many as possible what I know and help you guys make money as well. So this is the video I promised you guys I'm going to do. Is the part 2 of this strategy, cash trap on TradingView. I have more videos coming on numerous strategies. I have more videos coming on, but I will do it one after the other. So let's finish this, then we'll go to the next one. So now, what this video is about is very simple. Like I said, I would not give this automated support and resistance, the 2 points I said earlier. I would give your markup, personal markup of support and resistance, the 2 points. So I want us to, I already did a video on how to do the markup, price action markup for binary strategies on my channel, but I just want to do it on some charts. So we'll see how you'll see the difference and how confident you'll be seeing what happens around your markup. So now I'm going to choose any chart randomly. So before we do that, we can just like put off the strategy so you will see what you're doing. So you just take off the strategy first. Then I would want you guys to like select the following time frames: the daily, 4 hours, the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, 50 minutes, and the 5 minutes that we are going to use on the cash crop strategy itself. So you just click the stars there, so automatically it will be here for you guys to pick easily, rather than pressing these and choosing them one after the other differently. So now what are we doing? We are on the daily chart. I won't be going deep into the markup. I won't be going deep because I already did a video on it, on how to do the markup. I explained everything in details on the markup. So I will just be marking up straight. And if you really want to know more about this, you can check out the video. But we are just trying to see how effective the marking up can be with the strategy and how it will save you, how many trades it will have given you just by using it. So that's what the video is about. So I'll just be marking it up, no explanation that will be that deep. So we've gotten our wicks and our body will go to the 4 hours just to check what is going on. So on the 4 hours, nothing much is really happening, right? Nothing much is really happening. We are still in the shape. Okay, we can get it for the right way. We can get it for the right way. So this will be this. We'll get a thinner line to get this wick right here. So if you're confused about what I am doing, actually, you can check out the markup video that I did. That will explain more on what I am doing right now. It will give you more explanation on what is going on. So we'll come to the 1 hour, right? Not really seeing anything here, but we know we're on a downtrend, which is likely about to reverse. So we'll come to the 30 minutes. So on the 30 minutes, I am not really seeing much as well, but I think we have a very short support right here. Have a very short support right there. So we'll come to the 15. We're getting closer to what we need. We're getting closer to what we need. So, like I said in the video, the more you're getting closer to the lower time frame, then you see some things you may need to like readjust. You may need to readjust. It's not like you're not getting it, it's just that with the bigger candles, you may not really get it perfectly. So as you're getting lower, you see where the line is meant to be, then you like just adjust them. So now I think we've gotten all we need. We'll come to the 5 minutes, which is our strategy. Then we'll see everything clearly. We see all this was the support, it was broken here, it's now acting as a resistance. You can see it was rejected here, and I think the market is making it here. So now on the 5 minutes, I'm seeing the very short resistance right here as well. The very short resistance right here as well. You can see the market didn't make it its way there here, right? It didn't. Something push it back here and push it back here. Then it went on like that to where we are right now. Then I'm seeing a very short support here as well. Very short one on the 5 minutes. So that was all called your personal markup. This was what I was telling you guys. You would be given the 2 points. If it's those automated ones, you will be giving them 1 point because you can't really trust that. But with this, you should be good to go. So now, after doing this, once you do this, like let me just tell you the plan you need to follow with this. The first thing you do is go to your broker. The first thing you do is go to your broker. Then you check the currency pairs that is paying more at that particular time you are trading. I personally I don't trade anything lower than 70%. So I pick the 70% and above. If I can get 5, 4, 3, any amount I can get. If it's 5, good. If it's 3, good. Then after picking those, then I come here after putting up my strategy first. Then I mark all the 4 or the 3. I mark it up from the daily up to the 5 minutes. Then after marking up like this, then that's when I now turn on my strategy. That's when I now turn on my strategy and you have your cash from there. Very simple, right? Very simple. So by this time, you can see all these automated are lining up with some of my personal markup, right? So right now, we can even see the market is around the resistance. Is around the resistance. So that means this red candle here, the market was actually giving us a put. If we were early when the market came to this resistance and the arrow was giving you a down arrow, if you took it, you will see it be in profit right now. You know, so if you get any arrow, along with your personal markup, that's when I tell you the arrow is 2 points. Your personal support or resistance is 2 points as well. So you guys can see clearly with this, right? You can see your markup it is it. You can see your resistance represented with the red line and your support was represented with the blue line. So can we see that this resistance right here that we did on our markup is actually pushing this market down right now? So by this time, and you know you're on a downtrend, obviously, because your 200 moving average, which has turned red as from here, has given you that this market is a downtrend. So you are not taking the up arrow, you are looking for down arrow. Now, can we see we are getting a down arrow right now? We are getting a down arrow right now. But personally, right, apart from the arrow, I will only take the trade if the arrow is going along my former support or resistance. I will take the trade at that point of resistance. I will take like now I have my line at 842. So I would take the trade at 842. So we can see right now the market came to your resistance that you did on your own right there. You got the down arrow, it will always push it down. This will still come down. It's just like misbehaving. At times it waits for those kind of time before it goes the other way. So the market is actually going to start pushing down right now because it's on the quarter. You can see we're getting a put at our resistance, and the market is going to start pushing down. You see, I took a trade right now. Let's say you took a 3 minutes at that point, then this is what you get. So, it misbehave around this time. The market is kind of slow. If you are using this strategy around 9 a.m. EST to 2 p.m. EST, this is when you get to enjoy this strategy more. You really have a more winning rate around that time. Most of the time, what I will do in this kind of case, if it's breaking my resistance, then I'll wait for my next resistance before I take the trade. I'll wait for my next. I hope the main thing I want us guys to see is this. You get a clear picture of what is happening when you do your personal markup yourself. So the moment you are seeing your automated support and resistance in line, for example, here, you can see the red line was on your markup itself. You got a down arrow. What happened? The market came down. Then you check this for confirmation as well. This is a perfect example. Let me show you another perfect example. This right here. This right here. In this kind of market, let me bring the horizontal line so we can see. In this market right now, see, your DMI was overbought, your RSI was overbought, your stochastic was overbought. Then you have a resistance there. The moment the market is hitting it and you got a down arrow with we can see clearly, right? We can see clearly this automated red line was there as well. See, the market did what started going down. So you take your point at your home, your markup, where you have your line, your personal support and resistance. That price is where you get in the market. What are the three things I'm saying now? Just like I've given us the rules in the part 1 of this video. The first thing we are looking for after you've done your personal markup, you've chosen your pairs that are paying good at that time, you've marked them up, you've activated your cash trap 3.0, you know the trend you are following, you know what you are looking for. On a downtrend, you are looking for puts, you are looking for sells. On an uptrend, when this is green, you are looking for buys, you are looking for calls. It's as simple as that. So you are waiting for any market to come to your previous support or your resistance before you take it. You can see this actually made its way above our stop, but with the down arrow, it actually came to the upper Bollinger Bands, is now below your markup resistance. So this market is still going to go down. You can see it's actually still moving. You just need, I only rolled over twice. And we are in profit on one of them. We're in profit. So let's see what's going to happen at the end of the day. But what I'm trying to say in essence is this. This resistance is still active for now. It's still active for now because we are still getting a down arrow. The down arrow has not changed. So it's as simple as that. You follow your strategy strictly, and I promise you, you have more win rates than losing trade. The market will always be the market at times. It will go against you sometimes, but most of the time, it will always follow and do what is meant to do. It will always follow and do what is meant to do. Then at times, in this kind of situation, you check the currency strength meter to see what is going on. Is the Forex currency stronger than the second currency? As you can see, the CAD is stronger than the euro. So this is still going to drop, but it's just taking its time because the CAD is stronger than the euro. It's really stronger than the euro. So then I want to advise you guys in something again. On the first one, I did a video of this part 1 where I advised you guys to use the DMI separately, use the cash trap auxiliaries separately to be 3. Then I come to notice from the comment section and those who actually DM me that they have some maybe personal indicator they use, they use for confirmations before, maybe one or two that they might want to add to this. So there is no offense in you using the oscillator that has already combined your DMI. The DMI is actually the one at the bottom. It's not this. This is this is your stochastics. This is your RSI. Then this is your DMI, but it's not just showing the buy and the sell as usual. Because after combining, if you actually want to see the buy and the sell, then you can come to the cash trap here, to the settings. Then you come to the input. Then you tell it to give you the DMI stochastic signal. So if you press this, but it won't display here, you only see it on your top settings. So you see the buy at the bottom of the chart, the sell at the top of your chart. You can see it right here. So if the settings of this DMI sell and buy is what you're looking for, you can do that from the cash trap itself. You can on or close. But for me, I put it off because obviously I know that once this line is touching this, it has automatically giving a sell. Once this line is touching the red, it has automatically giving a buy. So I don't really need it because it's not my person. For the new ones that actually need to see the buy and sell, that's how you put it on. Then if you are using that oscillator 2.0, which I gave you guys, right? That's the name, Pasture Oscillator 2.0. It consists of the DMI stochastics, it consists of the RSI and the stochastics. So instead of you adding one after the other, you get. So can you guys see what's going on right now? This market is actually about to shoot down. It's just taking its time. That's why I told you guys I don't like trading around this time. It's really slow. If you are trading 9 a.m. EST, you do this kind of trade, it goes your way instantly. But this kind of market, it takes its time. And it's because I'm actually doing this session right now around this time. That's why I have no choice. And I would have loved to show you guys how this would have worked out for you. That's why I'm actually doing this. So if you are seeing this not actually responding the way it should, is because of the time, the session, that I'm doing. You can see what's going on right now. It's actually going down at our resistance. Let's see what goes. You can see it's actually going our way. It just needs more time because the market is slow. That's what is happening. So it will go your way if you know that is your personal markup. So your personal resistance is actually 2 points and the down arrow is 2 points. I hope you guys are getting it. You can see this is actually pushing down right now. You see, it's actually pushing down right now. We are having this right now. You see, it's going down. It will go your way. It's because of the timeout. If you are doing this 9 a.m. EST to 2 p.m. EST like I am advising, you will see a lot of wins than the one you lose. It's as simple as that. So I just wanted you guys to see. So this kind of up arrow that you're getting, you will not take because you know you're on a downtrend. You know you are at the point of resistance, and you know that the card is stronger than the euro. You only take the down arrow, not the up one, on a downtrend. So, as I was explaining, so when you use these oscillators that consist of the three, instead of you using the oscillators and then add the DMI, which would have taken up your three indicators that you can use on the free version, you can use the one that has the three, use your cash trap here, then add another indicator that you like. It may be a support and resistance indicator that will help you, you can see this indicator now is support and resistance dynamic, right? I use it a lot of time. You can see that the way it's displayed right now is actually lined up to my own support and resistance that I drew. It's actually showing, see, this is one of the dash here, is at my resistance. This is one of the dash here, it has my support, which would have helped me, if I was like too lazy to mark up myself, it would have given me some of this already. So at times, this kind of indication. So you might have an indicator maybe that you like for another confirmation instead of opening another chart where you now have that indicator. So you can do the cash wrap on the top, use the cash wrap 2.0 oscillator, at the bottom, then add your own personal, indicator that you like as the third one, So this is what I wanted us to see, I wanted us to see this and, see what's going to, how it will help you guys, So with this, you can add your third indicator if you like. So you can see the market is actually going now, it's still going to drop because you would have taken this trade at your own point of personal resistance. I keep repeating this is very important. Make sure that the line that you drew yourself, not your automated support and resistance, the one that you marked up yourself is where you're taking your trade. Whatever number you see right here is what you have to see on your broker before you press the put or the call. It's very important. I want to try as much as possible to make this training video short as possible, so you will not waste your data. So I just want this to be as plain as possible and as simple as possible. It's just the part two, so you guys. So if you don't understand what this video is about, I actually did a part one already. You can check on my channel. Watch it before you watch this, please. Watch it before you watch it, so it will make more sense. It will make more sense. You know what we are looking for with the support and resistance that I just did. You will know what we are looking for with the support and resistance that I just did. So I hope you guys have actually learned something from this. You can see this market is actually still dropping. It's actually still dropping. We are in profit on the broker that we took, and I want to make this video short. That's why you should not wait to see, but you can see what is going on. We have two red candles after taking the put that we did here. So I hope you guys are actually. So I have more videos coming in. This will be my last cash trap video I will do on the cash trap strategy. Well, maybe when I'm doing my personal trading with cash trap, I can record so you can see more on how it will be if you are using it personally, because I use it once in a while. I have my personal strategy that I use, but you know. So next video I want to do, so many people are actually requesting from me from the personal DM, is what we call the simple scalper. So the simple scalper that I will do will be my next video that I will do for you guys. And like I said, simple scalper on its own. When I activated it, then I had to add a lot of indicators together. Together. Stochastic RSI, Bollinger Bands, everything was too much, But there is a way you can actually use this with the free version as well. You even have, just like cash trap, you even have option, with the three in the free indicators you can use on the free version. You can have your simple stuff, and that will be what my next video will be about. What you are going to search for to get it, and I hope you guys will be around, to say it. So then I will do another one on the web stringer. I want to do the web stringer. You can have your web stringer on your TradingView as well. All these things are possible for you to have personally on your TradingView and still be, profitable. But all what my videos is about is how you can use this, what you need to look out for, and how to use it perfectly and be profitable. I will give you guys some additional tips that you can add to these strategies, that will help you guys to make more profits. That's what I am for. So it's not like all these things are new or you can't do them on your own. It's something everywhere, but with my personal experience on trading so far, I just want to share the knowledge with you guys to gain more. That's my aim, to gain more. So I've shown you guys everything we are going to be having, so I hope you guys will be available to get it. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for liking my videos. I really appreciate it. Please share with your friends that you know they need to have this as well, that you know that needs to be free and take trades themselves. You know, you can see from where we took this is actually still going. And let me show you guys for the last time. You can see where we are right now. This market is actually dropping and it's still dropping. It's still dropping. It's as easy as that. Simple stuff you need to do, and it's still dropping and it's dropping hard, really dropping hard. We're only looking for the put arrow, which is the down arrow. At this point right now, if the market comes to your support and is giving you a call, it's a very risky one because we are on the downtrend. At times I take it because I'm having 4 points confirmation, but it's very risky. I will advise you guys to only take the put on the downtrend and the call on an uptrend, and you'll be more profitable. Thank you very much once again. See you on the next video, and I love you guys.